Is Microsoft Teams free? The answer is yes, and let's cover the plans. So yes, you can use it for free. There are also paid versions. So let's see how much are the paid versions. So here you have the very basic version, which is free. Then you have 3 other models. So the first version basically saying here that yes, you can use it for free, and then you're gonna have 2 gigabytes of free storage per user. Where you're gonna have web access, such as PowerPoint, Excel. We're referring here to Office 365 in general. So yes, it's Microsoft Teams is included in Microsoft 365. So you can use it for free, and you're gonna have 2 gigabytes of storage. Now the paid version includes a couple of more things. So this is an example of how the paid version looks. If you're in a school, you will have this. This is how I have it. Anyway, so this is the paid version, and you would have all these tabs. If you have the free version, you're gonna have like 3-4 tabs only, and you're gonna be limited to what we cover here. So only meetings, video calls, and 2 gigabytes of storage. I'm not really sure if the paid version in the paid version you can install apps. I believe so, but I haven't tested it. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So there you go. All the plans. You're saying that the cheapest starts at 5 months, and you're gonna have up to 1 terabyte of storage. So if you want to read through everything here, I'm gonna leave it here for you guys. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.